Hey guys, what's up? This is Hardik Patel and I am going to change the CVT fluid in my Renault Koleos Boss. So here I have two cans of CVT fluids which is compatible to my Renault Koleos Boss. Alright, so to take out the dipstick, what you can do is with the help of this Phillips screwdriver, chuck it in between and just push and then pull off the dipstick. That way you can unlock the dipstick and then pull out. If you check here, the level of fluid is very low. So at the bottom of the car here is the CVT fluid bolt, so outlet valve or bolt, whatever you call. Here in Australia you can find this outlet bolt on the passenger side. This one is 19 mm bolt, so with the help of the wrench you just undo this one and open and drain out all the remaining CVT fluid. So let's get started. So I have this 19 mm wrench. With the help of this wrench I'll undo the bolt and drain all the CVT fluid out from the chamber. Sometimes it's a little bit tight, so let's see how much we have fluid comes out of this. Oh, that's plenty. So I'll let it drain for a few minutes and we'll get back to you in some time. While it is still draining, I'm gonna check the dipsticks and confirm whether I haven't opened the wrong valve. Although I know it's the right valve, but still it's always good to double check so you won't mistakenly refill in the wrong compartment. So let's go and check now. So first of all, I'll check the engine oil dipstick and see whether the oil has been run down or not. So this is the engine oil check, and so far it looks good. It's all full, so the valve we have opened is the correct one. Now let's check the CVT fluid dipstick. So first clean it off, dip it, take it out. It looks like it's empty, which is good. So time to refill. Seems like the fluid is nearly stopped dripping, so we'll still give another minute and we'll show you how does the fluid look like. Is it very dark or still bearable? So I'm going to put this bolt back on and clean it up. Just wipe with the roller or paper towel. Now tighten this thing with the wrench. Not over tight, but gently tight enough so it will not get loose. All good now. So look at the color of this fluid. It's way darker than I expected, which is not a good sign. So it's a good time to replace this oil or fluid, whatever we call. So it was a good decision. That's my daughter in the background music. It's time to take off your car from the jack stand. It's time to refill the fluid. So it's about 4 liter I filled in. So basically now the next step is turn the car on, ignite the engine. So once you turn it on, run it for 4-5 seconds and then move it to reverse. Wait for 3-4 seconds and change it to neutral. Once you change it to neutral, wait for 3-4 seconds. Change it to D. Now go back to neutral. Then reverse. And then P. Now leave the car on and let's check the level of the fluid. So while engine is running, check out the dipstick. Clean the dipstick and put it back in opposite direction. Then take it out. Dipstick shows it's in between these two marks. I still need to top up a little bit of fluid, but so far it looks alright to me. I'll go for a quick test drive and see how does it feel like. If it doesn't feel alright, then I'll repeat the same process and flush out another dirty 4 liter of fluid and replace with the good one. In total, the gearbox covers 10 liter of fluid, so the amount we change is only 4 liter, so there would be another 6 liter remaining inside the gearbox or in the system. So in order to flush the system, if you don't want to go for the professional flush, then you can repeat the same process again, and that way you can maximize the clarity of the transmission fluid. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. If you have any questions, then comment me in comment box below, and please subscribe this channel for more amazing videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. For the last few days I found that the fuel efficiency of this car was compromised. I tried to investigate the cause of this issue and couldn't come up with any solution, but then after when I checked and realized that could be the transmission fluid. If I haven't changed the CVT fluid for so long, then it could have impacted the gear change and ultimately have impacted the fuel efficiency of this car. So after changing the CVT fluid on this car, I realized the fuel efficiency have been increased by 2 liter, which is quite good and significant difference. So I will see what happens next in few months. If I feel the same, then I will change another 4 liter of CVT fluid, because overall together it contains 9.5 or somewhere around 9 liter of CVT fluid in the gearbox. The amount we changed was only 4 liter, so it would be good idea if I change another 4 liter in this car, and maybe possible it will make significant difference in the fuel mileage, fuel average, or fuel efficiency, whatever you call.